Standard 6 Subject General Science. Hello students, we are learning about the second lesson, the living world. In this lesson, we have learned the characteristics such as growth, respiration, excretion, responsiveness to stimuli, movement and reproduction. Let's take information about next characteristic, a definite lifespan. Okay, let's observe and discuss about these pictures. What will you say? After growth of body at a certain stage of life, living things become capable of reproduction. They give birth to young ones or they lay eggs. After some years, their organs become weak and still later, living things die. This journey of living things from birth to death is the lifespan of living things. Every living thing has a fixed or definite lifespan. For example, the lifespan of the dog is about 12 to 18 years, while ostrich lives for 50 years. The lifespan of the giant turtle found on the Galapagos Island in South America is about 170 years. On the other hand, the lifespan of the mayfly ranges from 1 hour to 24 hours. प्रत्येक सजीवाचे आयुर्मान हे ठराविक असते. A definite lifespan is a characteristic of living things. Okay. Next characteristic is a cellular structure. Here in the section, can you tell? Question is given that observe a honeycomb and a wall. What are they made of? Observe this honeycomb. There are many compartments which are joined together to form a honeycomb. Now observe this wall. A wall has bricks. To construct a wall, we firmly join the bricks together. In this way, living things are made of small units called cells. सजीव हे पेशींचे बनलेले असतात. All the actions and processes in the bodies of living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. Some living things are made of a single cell. These are called unicellular organisms. एकपेशीय सजीव. For example, paramecium, amoeba, bacteria, yeast, etc. The living things that are made of many cells are called multicellular organisms. बहुपेशीय सजीव. For example, man, cow, mouse, cockroach, elephants, banyan tree, the onion plant, etc. are the multicellular organisms. Cellular structure is the main characteristic of living thing. Okay, next, institutes at work. The institutes that work for the survey and conservation of the various plants and animals in different parts of India are the Botanical Survey of India 1890 and the Zoological Survey of India 1916. In case you find an unfamiliar plant or animal in your surroundings, you can communicate with these institutes to obtain more information about it. जर तुमच्या परिसरामध्ये एखादी अनोळखी वनस्पती किंवा प्राणी आढळल्यास तुम्ही त्याविषयी अधिक माहिती जाणून घेण्यासाठी सदर संस्थांमध्ये संपर्क करू शकता. ओके, नेक्स्ट सेक्शन इज कॅन यू टेल? क्वेश्चन गिवन इन दिस सेक्शन इज इन व्हॉट वे आर प्लांट्स अँड ॲनिमल्स युजफुल टू अस? There are different uses of living things. Plants are used for household as well as industrial purposes. Household, घरगुती, industrial, औद्योगिक. For example, fenugreek, potato, okra, apple, banana are used as food, while wasaka, hirda, beheda, asparagus are used as medicines. Animals are also useful to us. Dogs, cats, buffaloes, cows are kept for domestic uses. Fish, sheep, fowl are used as food. While animals like horses, oxen, camel prove useful in various occupations. The earthworm is very useful in agriculture. It is called a farmer's friend. These are useful living things, but there are some living things which are harmful to man and other living things. For example, mosquitoes and flies spread diseases. Cockroaches, mice, rats destroy our food. Lice, ticks also spread diseases. The bites of some poisonous lizards, spiders, snakes, and scorpions can even cause death. If wild elephants enter human settlements, they cause a lot of destruction. Destruction, nash, vidhvansh. Some plants are also harmful. For example, the dodder, parthenium, and other weeds. Dodder, अमरवेल इतर वनस्पतींवरती जगते. पार्थेनियम गाजर गवत, ॲलर्जी, श्वसनाचे विकार, त्वचेचे रोग या वनस्पतीमुळे होतात. तसेच पिकाची नासाडी देखील होते. Pods of the nettle, colocasia leaves cause itching. Plants like oleander, lantana have strong odors. The datura plant is poisonous. Uncontrolled growth of fungi and algae in water pollutes drinking water and may cause diseases. Okay, then next, wild animals. Wild animals that hunt other animals for food are called predators. Predators, bhakshak. For example, tigers, lions, wolves, leopards. Sometimes, due to deforestation, such animals enter human settlements in search of food and may kill domestic animals or people. Students, next section is find out section. Watch TV channels such as National Geographic, Discovery and collect information about different plants and animals found in your surroundings. Okay. Students, always remember, many plants and animals in nature satisfy our needs. So we have to use them to fulfill our needs only. We should not pluck leaves, flowers and fruit when it is not necessary. Animals should not be hunted or teased just for fun. It is the responsibility and duty of all of us to protect animals and plants. Thank you. Goodbye.